प्राइम डिबेट में आपका स्वागत है। सजना और संवरना ये आज तक सिर्फ औरतों से जुड़ा था, लेकिन खूबसूरती अब सिर्फ औरतों की जागी नहीं रह गई है। आज का मर्द भी सच संवर रहा है। वो गोरा होने के लिए क्रीम लगा रहा है, वैक्सिंग करवा रहा है, खूबसूरत दिखने की दौड़ में वो औरतों से भी आगे निकलता दिख रहा है। आखिर ऐसा क्यों है और क्या ये सही है, जानेंगे आज के प्राइम डिबेट में। आपकी टीवी स्क्रीन मर्दों के लिए बनी सजने संवरने की चीजों से भरी पड़ी है। मर्दों के कॉस्मेटिक्स का बढ़ता बाजार इस बात की गवाही देता है कि आज का मर्द सुंदर दिखना चाहता है।
खूबसूरती औरतों का गहना है। पैरों की पायल, हाथों के कंगन या फिर माथे की छोटी सी बिंदियां, वो एक एक चीज देखकर चुनकर पहनती है। लेकिन आज मर्द भी चुनिंदा हो गया है। वो भी औरतों की तरह गोरेपन का शिकार होने लगा है, बालों की देखभाल करने लगा है। तंग पैंट्स, वैक्स किया हुआ सीना और चेहरे पर क्रीम पाउडर का लेप। आज का मर्द फैशन की दौड़ में औरतों से आगे भाग रहा है। बात सिर्फ ऊपरी कपड़ों की नहीं है, वो ब्रांड से कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं करता। वो गोरा बनकर सितारों की दुनिया में चमकना चाहता है। कोई ऐसा मौका नहीं चाहता जहां उसे कोई इग्नोर कर दे। हसरत है कि जब सड़कों पर उतरे तो हसीनाएं पलट पलट कर देखें। इसलिए मर्द पर खूबसूरती का बुखार चढ़ गया है। मर्द हैंडसम से ब्यूटीफुल होता जा रहा है और उसकी ये ब्यूटी मर्दानगी को घायल कर रही है।
इस मुद्दे पर बातचीत करने के लिए आज हमारे साथ स्टूडियो में मौजूद हैं राजन नंदा, जो एक मॉडल रह चुके हैं, हरलीन कौर, जो एक उभरती हुई फैशन डिजाइनर हैं, और सोनल विर्दी, जो एक पेंटर हैं, यानी कि एक आर्टिस्ट हैं। आप सबका स्टूडियो में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। सबसे पहले मैं राजन आपसे शुरू करना चाहूंगी। आप अपने हिसाब से फैशन को कैसे डिफाइन करेंगे?
Fashion, I think, should be very simple, basic. To, in a nutshell, whatever one is comfortable in.
So, आज के फैशन को कैसे डिफाइन करेंगे?
See, again, choices बहुत सारी हैं, but it's what suits a person and his personality. So I personally would say or believe in whatever I'm comfortable in, whatever I can comfortably carry.
Absolutely.
Yep.
Helene, same question goes for you. आप फैशन को कैसे डिफाइन करेंगी, स्पेशली मर्दों के कंटेक्स्ट में?
For me, fashion is not only about the clothing; it's everything. So, in related to men's clothing and something, fashion is the thing, you know, which makes you look beautiful, attitude, which makes you feel like comfortable and makes you defines your personality. So, I guess anything which makes a person define his character and his personality is the thing which be a fashion for him.
Okay, fine. आप Sonal?
Well, I feel fashion to me is a state of mind, and how you carry is your attitude, and state of mind as in that you can how you carry it.
Right state of mind, your confidence.
It's a state of mind, and you could just feel great in something very simple and straight, and you could not feel very comfortable in something very great. So
fashion can also have simplicity.
Yes, fashion can have simplicity.
How can it be maintained?
Simplicity is not like, you know, you need to wear a simple cotton t-shirt or something like that. Simplicity is like what you wear is what you make you feel comfortable and what looks nice on you. Is that what I define as simplicity?
राजन, इससे पहले कि हम मर्दों के फैशन की ओर ज्यादा बढ़े, मैं ये जानना चाहती हूँ जो आज मर्दों का जो फैशन है वो किस डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है? Is it going in a masculine way or a feminine way?
There's a term used as metrosexual, which is used very commonly. So again, I think it's a follow-up to what women have been doing and what men are expected to do in a certain way. That's basically groom themselves better. So it's how you look at it really, but I wouldn't call it going towards feminism, but yes, taking care of yourself to look more presentable and groomed. That is what.
आप मॉडल रह चुके हैं. You have actually walked the ramp for major brands.
Week as well as Bill's lifestyle. Yeah.
Right. आप मुझे ये बताइए कि जब आप डिजाइनर्स के साथ आप बैठते हैं, आपकी मीटिंग्स होती हैं उससे पहले, तो क्या डिजाइनर्स के मन में या दिमाग में क्या चल रहा होता है? कौन सी एक ऐसी पर्टिकुलर ऑडियंस होती है जिनको वो टारगेट करना चाहते हैं?
Again, the new generation, so as to speak, they want the latest to be out in the market, so they want the clothes to be well presented, and it is primarily targeted to people under 40 or 35 to 40, I would say.
So they believe कि 40 के बाद तो फैशन की जरूरत पड़ती नहीं है.
These mindsets are fixed. That's what they feel. Probably it's subjective from designer to designer, but yes, that's what they target at.
So how right is this attitude of
Well,
designers?
I don't think it's like this. Yes, he's right when he says that it's for the youngsters. That's the. But if we look at the Bollywood and all the stars are above 40, and
Absolutely.
we are certainly
That's
following them.
actually when they, you know, achieve their stardom.
Yes,
That's the
and
case,
they
yeah.
actually start looking good and they mature up in their work also, and we look at them from a different angle. But I feel the young crowd has an example of all the stars we have.
Absolutely. राजन, एक वक्त था जब जो मर्द लोग थे, जो मेल मॉडल्स थे, वो फीमेल मॉडल्स के साथ रैंप सिर्फ उनको एक तरह की कंपनी देने के लिए वॉक करते थे. There used to be a time it was only women specific. आज जो ज़माना है वो बदल गया है. There's a Milan Men's Wear Fashion Week, there's Paris Men's Wear Fashion Week, recently Singapore में हुआ है जनवरी में. So things are actually changing for men. So how good is it for people like you who are in this profession?
It is quite good. I think it's about time that men are given their due, so as to speak, as far as fashion is concerned. And again, a lot of it is market driven. People have realized, designers, companies and investors have realized that yes, men are out there, they're doing the work, but they also want to look good. In earlier times it was just about your 9 to 5 job, come home and that's it, end of the day. But now people have a social life, there's an extension to their work as well. So yes, and everybody does want to look good, be it at the work or at social gatherings. So this was, I think, a natural progression, was bound to happen, and it's good it is.
हरलीन, आप अभी फैशन को स्टडी कर रही हैं,
Yeah.
राइट? आपके साथ कितने ऐसे मेल्स हैं जो आपके साथ ये कोर्स कर रहे हैं?
Like there are a lot of people, like a lot of men, mostly males, because I guess fashion designers are mostly males rather than females taking over the market these days. So I mean like more males than the females. right
But
now.
then they are working for females, I feel.
Yeah, they are
more of them
They are
are
working
working
for
for females. Yeah.
yes.
Okay.
But they are more, my colleagues are more men's rather than women's.
Okay, so see, perhaps things are changing for men, just the way Rajan
True.
explained, right? One by the types of goods which are extensively advertised on the television. It seems that the wheel of fashion is, moving towards men.
True.
How healthy it is, this trend?
I think it's very healthy and it's really needed, and it's high time, and also
Why do you
we
say it's
feel-
high time?
No,
I mean, were the men not at all
see, when you
fashionable
look at
then?
the weddings coming up, and there are people spending lots dressing up bridegroom and his friends, so I think it's really nice to look at them like that. And when we see Shah Rukh Khan doing a fairness cream ad, I think it's really interesting. And
But do you think he's actually fair at all?
Maybe with the makeup.
Yeah. Why men are being targeted by all these, brands? Harleen?
Because right now women's into too much of these things. So men's are the latest place where you can search market targets and you
So
can
as far
sell
as
more.
women is concerned, does the boredom has seeped into the market? Is this?
Yeah,
this
maybe a
could be
little
one
bit because
reason?
because you find a lot of same designs and same
Because a lot of
stuff.
experiment is being done. The kind
Yeah.
of goods which are there in the market. There are bleach creams. There are fairness creams
Yeah.
for men. There are
unisex parlors.
absolutely.
And that's healthy, I guess, because these days most of the men doesn't take care. So they need to have this. It is healthy and it makes them look clean at least. Some are very dirty and unhygienic. So I guess this is nice that they have all these things to just cover up their unhygienic and
राजन, आप कितने conscious है fashion को लेके?
Not really, but I try and make an effort to be comfortable in whatever I wear and how I appear. So I think it comes naturally. It's an extension of one's
What all
personality.
things you actually keep in mind before you step out of home?
Make sure my hair is well groomed. My clothes are well coordinated, and basically a good positive appearance. So
So are you one of those who visit parlors and all? I won't say for other stuff, but maybe for a nice good oil massage or
yeah, absolutely. Yeah, that's a need of the hour. More than anything, it's a stress reliever. So yes, when I do go for my haircuts, that's about once a month. I make it a point to get a hair massage done, and just kind of relaxes you, and that shows on your personality and on your face as well. It comes out. You come out much better across to a person, whoever you're meeting, and in general.
Tell me, see, the advertisements are presenting an image which is less masculine these days. Would you,
Depends really upon the, I would say, upon the product and who they're targeting really, but to put it as less masculine would be, I think, segregating a section.
Are you talking about the printed shirts? We've got the floral prints.
If that
and
is
the
one thing,
Benetton.
and the other is that, you know, the kind of creams which are coming up, anti-wrinkle creams for men's
as well,
skins.
yeah.
Yeah.
But there's nothing wrong
Sunblock.
about it.
When men used to actually think of, you know,
Yeah, and then
using
the
sunblock
natural
cream.
bronze is
Yeah.
so good on them.
Used to be
when you see
a definition of being masculine.
Pierce Brosnan with Roger Moore and all those people, like,
Yeah.
I think it's a nice bronze they attain on their
They
skin,
were
which we
blessed with
want to
natural
see.
fairness for a long time, you know, naturally as well, yeah.
We want to
And
see
I
the
also believe
bronze.
that James Bond movies, you know, they
Yeah,
it
True.
kind of changed the whole,
they
you know,
Definition, yeah.
scenario for men.
Men.
Yes.
Yeah. So, Haleen, what is your experience? I mean, when you you must be doing assignments and all, right? You must be getting. So, if at all you are given a assignment for, you know, designing something for men,
Yeah.
what would you actually do?
Well, I like
What would be the first thing which will come in your mind?
formal suits would be the first choice I would like to go up with, because I like professional
Formal suits with ties or with balls?
with ties, like that defines elegant men, a gentleman. So for me, I guess a gentleman with, you know, nicely tucked up, dressed up is something which I like. So I would prefer to have this formal suits as my first project to go up with.
All right. And what about the colors which you'll use? Are you going to go for pinks and for
No, pink.
purples? and-
Purple looks nice on men, but pinks looks too feminine. They make them look a little, you know, like
But
a
I'm
feminine.
sure pink would suit Rajan.
Will suit a fair boy.
No, I wouldn't mind that.
Do you have pink in your wardrobe?
Yes, absolutely, absolutely. So, you know, probably with my formal suit, I do have a pink shirt. Depends upon the shade, and but yes, pink.
What is that about, you know, men, you know, they are more attracted towards very boring colors, very grays and
Always.
blues.
Most of
and
the
Earthy
time.
colors.
I think it's
yeah.
it's undergoing a change now. You know, it's like a churning process. Even men have started realizing that yes, colors is just not, especially let's say pink for example, is not specifically meant for women. It would look odd if a man is wearing pink shirt and a pink jeans as well. But
Yeah.
yes, if you add a touch of color and
Pink with
maybe
some
pink as well,
earthy
yes, it does look nice. Yeah, so why
Alright.
not?
तो मगर हाँ, ऐसा भी मौका आता है जब अगर आप पिंक पहन के मार्केट में जा रहे हो तो कोई आपकी तरफ देख के ये बोले कि अरे यार इसने क्या लड़कियों जैसे कपड़े पहने.
Shade really
Rang
depends on the
pehne.
shade and the person saying it, but it wouldn't bother me.
It would not
I wouldn't
bother you.
me, no, really.
So while you designing, you know, stuff for men, what would you actually, you know, keep in mind?
On commercial basis, obviously, I'm going to choose commercial colors.
When it comes to fashion, when it comes to your casual clothing.
Casual clothing, I personally like streetwear. So streetwear is full of colors. So I guess streetwear will be a best thing to design with a lot of colors, mixing a lot of colors with funky t-shirts, and that's will be like nice thing apart from the formal wear I like.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me ask Sonal. Sonal, do you buy clothes for your husband?
I help him buy, and he throws a lot of tantrums.
Okay.
And that time I wish I was a clothes designer, because he'll say there's a red strip missing, or because he's an artist. I told you.
So he plays with the color,
Yeah, he
colors
does,
a lot in
certainly.
his wardrobe, right?
Certainly, and a lot of times it's the rain that makes you wear a red and a dark color, and so I think it's the weather that plays a part, and the mood, of course.
Has it ever happened that you have actually bought something for him? It's a surprise.